your PDF pattern, it's now time to print it. So you can simply right-click on the icon, then select Open With, Adobe Acrobat. You do need to install the application on your computer first. On the first page, you can see the test rectangle. It can be a little different on the other patterns. On this one, you have the test square on the left-hand side, and then here on the right, you have the printing guide that shows you how to assemble the PDF pages together. I will click here on this little icon, that shows the layers of the document. So here you have all the sizes available for that pattern. Let's say I want to print size M only. I only need to click on the little eyes to make the other sizes disappear, like this. So you may notice that on the right hand side, as I click on sizes, they disappear. So you know exactly which pages you need to print for your project. So if I scroll down, you will see on here on the different pages, only size M will print. But if I don't want to waste any paper, I can specify to print only pages 2, 7, 8, 13, 14, 17, 21, 22, 26, 29, 30, and 34. And because I do want my test square to print, I will add 1. And I use a comma between the numbers because they are separate pages. It's not a sequence. Here, it's very important to select actual size, and here auto portrait and landscape. And take a few seconds to look at the preview image. For example, if I go to a pattern tile here, these little tiles are 7.5 by 10 inches, which is smaller than your actual paper. You can see that the tile is nicely centered on the paper and that there's a margin all around it. It's not all squeezed in the corner or something like that. So this means that you're ready to print. And you can print in color or black and white, whatever works best for you.